October 29th, everyone. We are looking at Halloween Monday. What a morning! What a war zone! We knew extremely well that this will be a big problem. Ultimate war zone for indicator-driven trader. Ultimate test for knowledgeable price action trader. To the downside, this is a problem. Big problem. As we're discussing, only when this support is out, knowledgeable trader becomes interested in this market. Only when price will give you spectacular pullback, Halloween market will be over. Ultimate test of your knowledge. We knew that this support holding the key. What a Monday. This exact same support you're witnessing in front of you on 1-minute chart on S&P is exact same support where Tesla rallying from. Look at that. Chart present in front of you for years. Next few days are the most important few days since '08 in the markets. Knowledgeable trader knows that. If this spectacular bullish rally continues and price is rallying to here and here and here, everybody can start exhaling for at least a little while. If not, we have a serious problem. '08 will be walk in the park. Right now the power of sellers twice as much as '08 across all indexes in US. Spectacular bullish rally next few days is a gift, as we are sitting at institutional reversal zone. This been a biggest problem this morning. Price is rallying back up to here and here and here and here and here. Everyone can exhale. If not, ouch. Buyers are weak. This Fibonacci level's been present in front of you for many months. This Fibonacci level's been present in front of you for number of years. This is institutional support. This is expected. Last stopping ground, 2500. In '08 it was 1500. Know your numbers well. And this is key support on S&P before election. Shock or not, where buyers came from. Shock or not, where S&P had struggled at 2200 number was expected. This is S&P 1-minute chart in front of you today. It's all the same. This is S&P in '08. Ouch. 1500 number was a key. And this is S&P right now in exact same place. Ouch. Charts are twins. But let's look right now where S&P is, shall we? And walk down memory lane. Why not, as we're waiting on S&P. This is your investment decisions. This is bullish rally from trend inception, 1800 numbers. It reached key Fibonacci resistance, 2200. That show you after 2200, 2300 and 2500 to follow. 2016 market in war zone. Election time, price collapsing, which is a gift. What is a key support? 2000, of course, with 1950. What does the price do next? retraces as expected. You are dancing on a table because you know it's a spectacular thing. You know extremely well that it did not matter who would win the election, that it's a beautiful place to buy if rules are met. Rules were met, and it did not matter who won the election. Trade in a play. Skyrocketing until next level. You know extremely well if trading on the news meant anything, every single person on the planet would be Bill Gates. This is what's happening next. Shock or not, as expected. Bullish rally in a progress. You are in a beautiful place. You did not short the markets because Trump won the election. Years later, key targets are reached. Why? Because key Fibonacci support was respected. This is S&P in front of you right now, on 1 minute chart on S&P. What a dance! Just like night of the election. What is the problem? Buyers are weak. Key resistance is a problem. Key support in front of you. This is a dance this morning. Before the election, price collapsed from 2200. That's what we need this morning. Exact same thing. Price is not collapsing 4 hours in a row. This is a dance between this key support and this key resistance. It's a war zone, traders. Every single day you are being tested to the core. If you are a day trader. If you day trading not your cup of tea, use everything you learn in the course for long-term investment decisions. Halloween Monday. Will buyers pick up this steam? Just remember, not ignore this brick wall. Day trading resistance with institutional resistance is a problem. And as long as this support is respected, Halloween Monday will remain. What a test. What a day. For a knowledgeable trader, it's not a pain. Knowledgeable trader dancing on a table, knowing if price is not crashing through 26.88 and a quarter, this is a pain. Halloween in the house few days early. If price is crashing through 26.88 and a quarter, it's a gift. Just like night before the election. It's all the same. What is the difference? Risk management and trader psychology. It's all the same. This is where Amazon is now. As we know extremely well, Amazon started selling off well before it disappointed with earnings. Amazon was already at 1700 when terrible earnings came out. No buyers anywhere to be found. Not yet. Facebook is in the exact same place as S&P. Facebook, this level is out. Facebook is crashing to here. 123 is out. Facebook is crashing to here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Facebook had been in war zone at reversal zone since the start of the year. All present in front of you for years. Facebook skyrocketed from this key support mid-2018. In the middle of the scandal, why? Fibonacci support respected. It's not skyrocketing today. Ouch. Support respected. Just like on S&P in front of you this morning. Ouch. it's all the same. QQQ selling off as expected. Famous Nasdaq derivative. Just like S&P, we hope it will. This morning, this is truly Halloween Monday. Getting worse by the minute, not better. So, if you want to avoid pain and torture in your trading, if you want to master price action, I look forward to working with you. Knowledge is power. Phenomenal opportunities setting up across the board. Gold is rallying, but knowing what to pay attention to is the key. This is a problem on gold. Buyers stepped in from trend inception, as they're doing right now, and trying on S&P. But what a big problem this morning. Not the place to buy. Halloween Monday. Becoming worse and worse every moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hour war zone. For a knowledgeable trader, it's a beautiful day. Who is celebrating that he survived this war zone, that he did not make his broker happy. Knowledge is power. If you want to remove speculation from your trading, if you want to remove the pain, if you take advantage of historical formations in the market, I look forward to working with you. Let's give this a few more minutes. Let's hope S&P will finally crash. As only then market will becoming interesting. Until then, Halloween Monday becomes worse, not better. We know that extremely well. So please take a look what played out on S&P, shock or not. We stayed out through so much pain and so much torture. Finally, S&P reached key target, 2683.50. Market becoming more and more interesting. Price reminding you. When price reaches your key target, you moving your stop outside of break-even and taking your profits off the table. 10 points later. How many points do you need? How many trades we need? Halloween Monday. We stayed out through ultimate war zone. We played by the rules. This trade converted to 1-minute chart showing you to the tick the power of the method. As buyers stepping in from key Fibonacci support. Just like price had done after correction of 2014, 2015, 2016. Identical Fibonacci level. Identical Fibonacci support. Support respected. Market went up drastically higher. 2200, 2500, 2800 next. Years later. All in front of you every day, every time. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. We knew extremely well that this morning, this Fibonacci resistance will be war zone. We knew extremely well that when we're dealing with institutional trend inception, this is not the place to short. We knew extremely well that Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool that will give you this much accuracy. Time and time again, nothing else ever will. Thank you, traders. Trading room had been open less than 40 hours this month. Again, we're still on October 29th, and as you could see, out of 26 trades, 22 trades reached Fibonacci targets. As you saw very clearly, decision point 2 is a core target when you're moving your stop outside of break-even and scaling out all the way to reversal zone. So, if you would like to join us in the course, first time ever since 2008, Fibonacci Mastery Group course offered at greatest discount ever. We're down to only 3 spots available at this discount. $1,000 less, 3 spaces only. As soon as 3 spaces left filled, this discount will be removed. If Fibonacci Mastery course a bit too much and you're looking something for more basic and more appropriate for your budget during these volatile times, first time since 2011 I'm offering this basic course. Both discounted drastically because of the historical events in the market. So please review the information on the website, please identify what's appropriate for you, and never hesitate to contact me, especially if you're considering private mentorship. Please remember, all classes recorded, you can review at your convenience. It's never a requirement to attend all classes, and if you join in Fibonacci mentoring course, all foundations, all group courses in Mastery included. You can view videos at your convenience, and we meet one-on-one when we discuss our meeting. So, if you witness the power of the method and you have any questions, never hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you in class.